Hello everyone, my name is Sudhara Kalakshan, and today in this tutorial I am going to explain how to design modern minimal login form using Figma and AI tools, and how we can use the AI correcting front-end design. First, before opening the Figma or using AI tools, we must understand the goal of interface because of the login page is usually the first screen that users see. So it creates the first impression about the company or system. A good login interface should be clean, minimal, easy to understand professionally so that user can quickly interact with the system without confusion. Now the first practical step is to open Figma and start designing the layout manually because designer must first think about the structure before using AI. In Figma, we create the desktop frame usually around the 1440 pixels width. And then we place the main elements such as the company logo, email input field, password input field, login button, and forget password link. After placing these elements, we focus on spacing, alignment, typography, and visual hierarchy because these factors make the interface look balanced and professional. For example, we can use the modern fonts like Inter Roboto, rounded input fields, soft shadows, and the subtle gradient login button to making the UI look modern and the attractive. Once the basic design is completed manually, now we can start using AI tools like ChatGPT or Figma AI to improve the designing and get suggestions. Then AI can help use to generate idea for color palettes, layout improvements, typography scales, and modern UI patterns, which save a lot of time during the design process. For example, we can ask AI to suggest a modern minimal login form style with professional spacing, gradient button, and responsive layout recommendations. So, after improving the UI design, the next step is converting the design into front end code, and this is where AI becomes very powerful for developers. By using AI prompts, we can generate HTML and CSS code that follows the same layout as a Figma design, including input style, button designing, and responsive layout structure. This is allow front-end developers to move from design to implementation much faster while maintaining consistency with the original UI design. However, it is important to understand the AI should support the designer and developer, but it should not replace design thinking and practical understanding. In the real software development, we must think about the how user interact with the system and what kind of impression the interface create for the client and company. As well, the design login form may look simple, but it is represent is the trust, the professionalism, and quality of the entire applications. So the correct workflow is the first design manual in Figma, then use the AI to improve the UI, and finally use the AI again to generate front-end code that matches the design. By coding design thinking with AI tools, we can create a modern interface fast. So more efficiently and with a better quality, real world application. So that part uh, we used to complete the cleaning the modern minimal design with use that current guidance with the AI tools, using the AI tools, so that we align to the what are the most important thing include in UI interface, even depend on that factors. So because I use that I design the logging form, so especially we use that part, what are the including major things. So after design and I after use that uh, Figma AI to submit that whole part capture, and they are giving to the design that interface what I expected. So not first time we can each part we prompt to generate again and again and get the perfect with that uh, interface you expect as you expected. So carefully thinking about when you use the prompt. So we are correct given in order to the AI to generate the. So you can see that how to I use that in movement. Figma AI, you can use that already. You know that how to use this Figma AI. So generating that in movement. So you can see that how to I step by step using that prompt get expected. I want much more. I want to uh, that part. Okay, thank you guys. You can see that end of that part. You finish that how to completed my login form, and after that you can see the source code even that after I download the local PC using the VS Code and developing the keep app continue in the backend also. So that is the some part of that your full stack developer or front end developer the use the most important thing is how to be use that AI tools well effectively handle. Thank you very much.